welcome back. We got Floyd in the house. Floyd is Floyd Hiltz. We must be related somehow, some way back, way far, way back. Floyd has done a couple interiors for me over the years. We are on air, and I'm your man, Bad Chad, and this is Floyd Hiltz. What we have is Jolene's Interior has popped into the building, and we're going to show it to you. We haven't even looked at it ourselves. Jolene hasn't looked at it. I'm going to get a bench, and it's not the full interior, it's just the door skins themselves, but we want to see what's going on, and I want to ask Floyd a few questions. We might want to get some seats done, and then we're going to see what happens there from there. Basically, and we're showing you because why not? I told Jolene that I would try to have this car done. We say try, but have this car done for the opening of our shop, when the shop opens up, because that's where the cars are going, so we can look after them. Basically, if I finish this car, I have nowhere to put it. I'm stuck in the garage with a Bugatti, and I've got nothing I can do. But Floyd has got some interiors going to show us, and we're going to show you at the same time. This is ostrich skin. Jolene has picked ostrich. So the car is going to be a colonial white or Wimbledon white? Off-white. An off-white, a creamy white, and she picked an ostrich interior, and here we go. Let's take a look at it. And we cut out some door skins. Oh, wow. Look at that. Awesome. Well done, Floyd. Well done. That looks nice. Jolene's got a smile on her face right now, and the reason I can tell because I can see white teeth. Wow, that looks nice. Yeah, well, that looks really nice. Something that that looks really nice, Floyd. I like this double thing you got going on here. That really looks nice.
That's the way the
wow.
That's the way it was. The other one was. So
yeah, I like that. That's well done.
Yeah.
Well done.
Hopefully it fits up around your wood up here. Right?
We had a little bit of room there, and we squeezed it or whatever. Wow. Well done, Floyd. So
I don't know. You had some ideas for handles, and I did.
Okay.
This is what I come up with.
Okay, there's some handles. Okay, there's some handles.
There's a chain in this.
Okay.
So you can just put the screw through the link. You can make it shorter or longer. That would go similar to that. And then I have these. Maybe that would work if you haven't got anything else.
We've got something.
Yeah, good. So
yeah, good. He says.
It's always nice to have options.
Yeah.
But see that would go on here against your wood with a screw if you want it.
Gotcha, I understand. Yep. Awesome. What do you think of that, Jolene? You like that? Looks good, don't it? Looks really good. I'm going to bring up the other one. I'm going to take a look at the other one too.
Yep.
Let's see that right there. I want to take a look at the other one too. Is the other one just as nice?
No. I always give you a good one first.
That's the way to do it, Floyd. That's the way to do it. That's metal. We got metal in the back of it, so it's.
They're heavy. Yeah.
They're heavy? You think they're heavy?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all right. You have them glued on good.
Yeah. Awesome. The doors are getting heavier and heavier all the time. Yes, they are. I put a bunch of primer on them. We've got fiberglass. We've got filler. I put a bunch of primer on them. I put a bunch of primer on them. It can be the metal can be straightened out a little bit like that. You can see how that's just so. But that's going to be very nice inside the car. So we got one strap there, one strap there. We were thinking that on a purse, Jolene's got a purse, and they got the little latches you can undo and take the purse handle off. I've got a couple, maybe, I don't know where that, just a sec, right here. Let me go get it. There's a couple pieces. Not sure if they're in here or where they're at. On the bench where? Over here, okay. Now I would go get a purse to show you, Floyd, but I left my purse at the house.
You did?
Yeah. See these little things here?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know. That don't look good on there, does it? Popped off like that. But then, how would you get them to stay on there? I'm not sure if I like that or not. You like that? Anyways, these were on pulleys that I had. Some pulleys for Jolene's race car for the brakes. I cut these off the end of the pulleys.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're going to have to come up with an idea. Floyd's got a pretty good idea there with that thing there. Just threw it on the ground. Hope I didn't scratch it.
Stainless.
Stainless won't hurt it none. Yeah. But the door skins are absolutely awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Look really good. Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Awesome. Love it. That makes me happy. Well done, Floyd. Well done. I've got some seats that I've got going on. I've welded them all up.
Yeah.
I don't know if we can talk about, what did I do? Put a nut in? There's a certain way they come out, I guess. People think I haven't been working on this car, but I have. What's going on is I cut them down. I didn't measure them all the way, see if they're all the same size or not. So basically what I'm saying is that, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just gonna put a nut on them, just so.
Touch the threads?
Just, yeah, touch the threads, I guess. How do you see to cover those? Because I've noticed a couple other ones. This piece here,
yeah,
was underneath, and then the cushion was on top. You know what I'm saying? So they made this piece and then put the metal on top of this, and they covered it. Are you going to be able to go like?
It fits pretty tight in there. So
it does.
Yeah,
it does. We have a picture of what we want or what we're thinking of. I'd like to have like this all the same. Obviously, I don't know if I even got that cut all the same. I just ground it down to my eye. But do you have any idea how you would do that to make that look like those? And also, look at this here. I'll show you a few things I got going on. I got the front a little bit longer than the side.
Yeah.
Does that mean you glue a piece of, I'm going to pick your brain for a second. Are you going to glue a piece of foam in there and put a cover on top of it and wrap it like that?
Yeah, we're going to put some foam in it and then.
So what happens when...
probably some tuck and roll on top of it, so yeah.
Some tuck and roll.
Well, that's what I see the other one had, right? They had so many pleats across here. I think it did, didn't it?
Do you want any pleats in it? We've got pictures in it. I don't think it has any pleats.
Okay, don't matter.
It looks just a smooth seat.
We'll try to...
It has this side here. This is the only thing I'm wondering. If you put foam in that's, say, 2 inch.
It's got to have enough foam that
above that.
Not feeling that, right?
So you can, I was thinking about this stuff too. There's, you don't really want that edge, do you?
No.
That would cut your material pretty quick, would it not?
Yeah. We can put a windlace over that.
I don't know what a windlace is.
Well, it's the same stuff as goes around the lawnmower tractor seat.
Okay.
Goes over the edge.
Okay.
Yeah.
The black stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. Right on.
Yeah.
That sounds good to me because that would fit over top of it. I was thinking Kohl's custom chrome, that stuff you put on the edge of the door.
Yeah.
But that wouldn't be wide enough, would it?
No.
Okay, so you put right on, cool. That sounds good. And the foam, would you bring the foam higher so when you sat on it, it wouldn't come, would it?
I would, yeah.
Okay. You wouldn't go much higher than that. I'm going to grab a tape measure.
Yeah. Have to see the picture you want. See what?
What's that? That's a picture of them, but then I'm not really fancy of that right there.
Yeah, that's pretty uneven. Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty uneven looking, isn't it? Like that,
Well, even you're seeing.
That's in a Bugatti. If you made for something like that for somebody, they'd curse you.
Yeah.
Wouldn't they? Huh? But basically, what I'm thinking is I'd like to have. This is what I would like to have. It's not the phone. This is what I'm thinking. That this shape here is all the same distance. So if it'd be 2 inch or tape measure.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we have 1.5 inches in there.
Yeah.
So if you went a 2 inch foam on that, and then I've got these welded on too.
Yeah.
I'm guessing you'd have to cut that and lay one piece in, lay that piece in, and then have something. I don't know. I welded them on because I had no other way to get them on after I was done.
Yeah, I know.
Once your seat's on, I couldn't bolt them on.
Yeah.
I had to put the bolts in the seat because I couldn't put the seat in the car after you redid.
Well, you could have bolted them on afterwards.
Well, how would I? I would have went to a lot of work though.
I would have a round hole there, up from the back.
Yeah,
because you're not going to see it. You can't get to see it in there, right?
All right, but anyways, can you carry on with that?
Yeah.
Can you deal with that?
I'll have to.
Okay, I have to. I like that situation. I like it. So there's still really not the seat that I'm. There's still really not the seat that I'm going for, or what I'm looking for. Like, I mean, it's not even my car, but
Yeah.
yeah, it's not my car.
The
Joey's
one,
car.
yeah, the one the Guild built, the seats in that, what were they like?
I think they were just smooth, I think. I'm not fancy of that style either. To be honest with you, if you can make the seat look like what I've made here,
Yeah.
that's what I think you should hit. There you go. Something like, you know, a little finer detail than that.
Yeah, okay.
But basically,
Yeah.
basically, I would like to have this on the side. Like they really haven't got it all the same, have they? Like, you know what I mean?
Well, not quite, yeah. But, yeah. So basically what they've got is just foam here and a cover made and it pulls down over.
So somehow, some way, to me, I think that you don't need any pleats in it.
Yeah.
I'm thinking if you can get it in this shape,
Yeah.
and get it the side curtain on the side all the same.
These would be the two hard spots, yeah.
And get this, like, if you can get this side curtain all the same,
Yeah.
and get this looking, and get that rolled down, tucked in there like that, you're gonna have to do something across here, would you
Of course,
not?
your foam's going to be right out to here, right?
So your foam will be out to this piece.
Yeah, so that shouldn't be a problem.
So can you get the seat to come down? Would there be a line across there and thread with her, or I didn't even look and see what kind of thread you put in that. I don't even know if you can see the thread, can you?
Well, a little bit in places. Yeah.
That's nice. What color is that? Like a beigey color, like that color? Perfect. I was wondering what kind of thread you were going to use, and you did not fail.
Whatever I had, that's what I had.
Whatever I had. I would hope you would buy something if you had to, if you know what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
But yeah, they look really, really nice. Yeah, they look really nice. Really impressed. But are you, like, basically what I'm thinking is a seat covering.
Yep.
If you have to put a piece of piping on there.
Yeah, I think that one, it's going to need a piping there because you can't just wrap it. You got to have it shaped. So yeah.
Okay, so do you need a piece of piping there?
Well, you can have a
piping?
piping, or you can just have a seam there, whatever you think is.
What would you rather, a piping or a seam?
Piping wouldn't look bad. You would kind of flow with the door because that's kind of a
What
piping.
would you do with the piping? Would you make it out of this?
Yeah.
Oh wow. I would go with the piping if I was you. If you can make it out of that, make it that tight.
You want it to match the seat.
There's a seat that I was sort of looking. That's what I'm sort of looking at.
Oh yeah. See, that's good.
I like their line there, but I don't like their line down there, how it folds down on the seat. I'd like to see that line be right on the top of the seat so you can see that edge all the way around.
Yeah.
But that's what I like.
Okie dokie.
Good job, Jolene. Do you like it, Jolene? Like, it's your car.
It's actually, yeah.
It's pretty
simple. Right?
Pretty simple. Well, not to me it's not, but.
Other than this here, but yeah. Yeah.
Son of a gun, eh? Yeah. See, I'm going to use some Coles chrome on that probably. I'm thinking once that piece is done, I'm going to end up chroming that. Maybe. We'll see what happens.
What? Okay, this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So if anything going on around there, like I'm going to do there's going to be a little edge going on there, some chrome on there, I think, of some sort. But basically, that line come up around there with the piping on it, like they got the piping on theirs.
Yeah.
But try to keep it so it's
even. Yeah. Nice flow. Yeah.
Yeah. That looks awesome. That gets me motivated. Motivated with you, Jolene. I got some of the chassis going in there.
Whoops.
Floyd's not used to the mic system.
I used to gizmos.
Go the other way. Yeah, there you go. The gizmos. I was kind of worried about what this would look like sewed up.
Yeah.
And not worried anymore.
Yeah, I don't see any crinkles.
Yeah, not worried anymore. It looks fantastic. Fantastic.
Took some doing, but we got her.
Oh, it looks fantastic. Looks fantastic.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So what happened there? You put this on first, and then sewed this over top of it, or explain to me how you did that.
Actually, no, it had to be all sewed together, and then it was all put on. Yeah. And this piece here has a bit of padding underneath.
I noticed that.
Yeah. And
this
then,
is on the bare metal.
And you had to get it all lined up, and yeah.
When I take off, or when I do my door handle in here, what kind of just razor blading that from inside here?
Whatever
On
works.
the outside,
yeah.
wherever works best, just
Yeah.
slide it in.
So the only holes that aren't there is for your handle. So I didn't know exactly where.
Right.
Yep.
And I could screw these right to the door. It's just be hard to get a screw in that where that's out like that, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
We'll see what happens.
Yep.
But yeah, I'm very happy with that. So you're okay with the seats? You want to take this? I guess we should probably deal with this first and pay you for doing this, and then we'll talk about the seats. That's you want to pay Floyd for doing that? Alrighty. So basically, that's what the door skin looks like. Absolutely amazing. Well done, Floyd. Well done. Alrighty, what we're paying and what we're doing other than that, you do not need to know. See you later.